Hi everyone, and welcome to the second section of this course, Introduction to Academic Writing. Thank you so much for continuing taking this course, for continuing watching my videos and listening to my lectures. I really appreciate it, and thank you for that. So in the first section, was just focused on welcoming to this course, introducing to academic writing, telling you what we're gonna do in this course. You also had the sample paper assignment just to see your writing level for me, and I hope you also enjoy writing about any topic that you wanted. So this section is called Academic Writing Process. Probably some of you already know what it's going to be about, but I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. So our first lecture focuses on paragraph structure, which is introduction, body, and conclusion. So if you know, or maybe not know, but I'll let you know, introduction and conclusion is a 10% of your essay. So you always need to think that 20% of your essay is these two parts. 10% conclusion, 10% introduction. And the main part, which is 80%, it's going to be your body, which is the meat of your essay. Really interesting, isn't it? So our first lecture, I provided you some PowerPoint slides with my voiceover on introduction and conclusion. I also included PowerPoint with strong paragraphs, which is the body paragraph. So I decided to break these basic concept of an essay into two sections, which is the intro, conclusion, and body, because I did not want to combine all these three parts into one presentation because it might be a little bit confusing. To summarize this lecture, I decided to include a quiz, a practice test as well. So the quiz is just gonna let you know if you understood the concepts of introduction and conclusion and probably body paragraphs. I don't really remember exactly anymore, but just to see if you got the idea. And the practice test is going to be actually the structure of an essay. So I want to see if you got also the idea of what it's like to write an academic essay. Please listen to my PowerPoint slides. I think just reviewing the PowerPoint slides without listening to my voice might be a little bit confusing because sometimes I say the information that is not on the slide. So please listen to it, and I hope you're gonna get the information correctly. Sometimes I make mistakes because, you know, I'm an international person and I tend to make mistakes, but I tend to correct myself as well. So I tried to be as clear as possible, and I hope you understood everything. And that's it for lecture one. I don't want to take a lot of your time watching this video and watching me talking. I just want to introduce to this lecture one, and I want you to begin listening to it and watching it and doing the quizzes and practices. Thank you guys so much for watching, for listening to me, and for taking this course.